There's my shaft, which off, and this comes through. My motor shaft comes through this, bolts on there. Jack shaft goes back, runs around to the chain. Yeah. But that's my motor mount, my adjustable motor mount. Had to take it off. God almighty, that thing weighs like 30 pounds, dude. Holy shit. That's pretty heavy too. And I seen that I've got a bow in him. Just a little bit. I mean, it still works good, so I mean it's kind of bowed though. A little crooked. Yeah. It's alright. It worked. It still works. So yeah. Let me set this up to where maybe y'all can see what's gonna happen here. Hopefully. Let's see. I think there. Yeah. So this basically has to go here. Which, you know, I got to change a couple things. But, yeah, right there. That's where it goes. Gotta take the muffler off. Find my bracket that goes back. And just a whole lot of work after that, but we're on the way. We're getting there. Is the main thing. Okay, y'all like, subscribe, hopefully. Trying to get my views up and stuff. Talk to me about it. Tell me what you think. Have a good day.